This avocado salsa is ready in 5 minutes, and it's one you'll want to make every summer. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a full recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making fresh avocado salsa, creamy, bright, and packed with flavor. This is perfect for just about everything. No cooking, no roasting, just fresh ingredients straight into the blender. Now let's get started. This recipe makes about 2 cups of fresh avocado salsa. For today we will need 3 tomatillos, 3 serrano peppers, 2 avocados, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of a white onion, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 2 teaspoons of oil, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, the juice of 1 lime, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Let's start with our tomatillos. You will notice they come wrapped in a papery husk. Peel that off first. Once the husk is off, the tomatillo will feel a little sticky, and that is totally normal. Just rinse it under cold water and that stickiness disappears completely. Now your tomatillos are ready to go. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. We add everything to the blender. Tomatillos, serrano peppers, avocados, garlic, onion, cilantro, oil, salt, pepper, the juice of 1 lime, and water. If you want your salsa a little milder, you can swap the serranos for jalapeños or simply use 1 less pepper. Blend until completely smooth. And that's it, no cooking. Now try your salsa and adjust for salt. And there you have it, your perfect summer salsa with avocado and fresh flavors in less than 5 minutes. You can serve it with street tacos, you can find that recipe here, or you can serve it with a bowl of chips as an appetizer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now let's give it a try. Perfecto. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.